there.
What's up everybody, this is Skid Society. Welcome to another Lowrider classic car culture content video. You can support this channel by heading over to skidsociety.com and checking out our merchandise, including hats, shirts, stickers, hoodies, and more. But with that being said, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell if you haven't already. Let's get straight into the lowriding. Good to see you. That's right, guys. We out of here.
You guys aren't in trouble.
We're out of here.
Getting, no, I'm not even telling you guys to leave. We got a call that somebody saw somebody with in this parking lot. You guys have been here for a minute, I'm assuming?
I haven't seen nobody.
You guys haven't seen anybody with a like that?
Nope.
Okay, cool. I'm not even here to keep you guys out. You guys are cool as far as I'm concerned. We just got a call that a dude put a inside of a car and was kind of hanging out by the car.
Right here?
It happened to close in your parking lot. So that's why we're driving around the area, getting all these units, because we're looking for a dude with it. So you guys have been here for a while, you guys haven't seen no...
Not at all.
If somebody would have put everything would have scattered, man. They've been quiet here, nah.
So nothing you guys saw.
Nah.
Cool.
All right, man.
Thank you guys very much. You guys stay safe tonight.
Thank you. Wow.
I don't know. I just got here. What, you've been here like what?
I've been here this whole time.
All that banging is more down that way.
Because my friend with the car said, hey, can you take this picture? I said, okay, I'll take it. She was like, well, put it on your bush.